Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to yet another video of Browniverse. Today we will create this makeup look. This will be Eid makeup tutorial video. So I hope you all will enjoy this video. So grab a cup of coffee and keep on watching. So after a long time, you again have to bear with my bare face. So please tolerate my bare face once again. So today we're gonna be doing Eid makeup tutorial. Not only Eid makeup tutorial, এই পুরো ভিডিওটাতে you can learn how to do hollow eyes. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. First of all, আমি আমার skin care করে নিয়েছি. I don't want to bore you guys again with skin care. I have just applied this vaadi cucumber water. Yes, cucumber and aloe vera toner and this Pond's, my all-time favorite, Pond's Super Light Gel. So first I will start with a primer. This is a mattifying primer, but though I want to do a dewy finish makeup today, but as I have a very oily skin, it automatically dewy hoye jabe. So I'm using this Wet n Wild photofocus face primer in the matte variant. You will get a dewy variant in this range also. So let's start with the primer now. I will focus on the porous area of my face, like the side of my nose and the forehead and chin area. Then I will use this LA Girl Pro Concealer orange corrector. As I have very pigmented skin, so I have to use an orange corrector to get a perfect base. But tomader jodi karor pigmented skin na hoy, then you can easily skip the corrector and straight go to the foundation or the concealer. So I'm using this LA Girl Pro Concealer orange corrector. And one more thing, less product is more. I mean, you don't need a lot of product. Please don't use a lot of product at the very beginning. Try to use minimum product at the beginning and then gradually increase as you need. Okay, now with a small brush I will blend the corrector into the skin. Now with the brush you can move the product. I mean, like I'm feeling that I need a bit more on my under eye, so I have a lot on my eyelid, so I can easily move the product here and there as you require. So the blending of corrector is done. Then I will move to concealer. Now I'm a concealer person. I am not at all a foundation person. I don't love using foundation, so I will use this concealer only. But before that, there is a trick to combat this humid situation. You have to, or you can use a powder, a translucent powder over the orange corrector. Then you can move to the foundation or the concealer. So I am using sugar setting powder in the shade Latte. Yes, in the shade Latte. Using powder before the concealer or foundation can control the oil secretion. Don't use too much. Too much powder can make your base cakey. So yeah, I have powdered my base. Now I will move to the concealer. So for concealer, I'm using this Maybelline FITme Concealer. I don't know why I can't get over this concealer. I have used, I don't know, maybe 4 bottles of it. I can't use any other thing. I don't know why. And most importantly, I don't get that accurate shade from other concealers. Maybe I can get exact this shade or exact my shade in higher range, but you know, I'm a gorib. Now as I'm using this concealer only as my base, I will use a bit more. So we'll give it a bit time to set on the skin to get the extra, I mean the maximum pigmentation. By the time I will do my eyebrows. And for eyebrow, I'm using the eyebrow kit from Wet n Wild. This is also a very good eyebrow kit. This is the eyebrow brush I'm currently obsessed with. This is Colossal Lashes E002 by Niti Katiyar. This is really good. I mean, this is really good. Now here in the eyebrow kit, I got a wax that I will take with the spoolie and will brush through the eyebrow so that it can give a bushy effect. And that's it. So to get the maximum coverage, I'm using a concealer brush to blend the concealer. This is also from Cuffs and Lashes F011, I'm sorry. And this is also a very good concealer brush. I'm in love with it. The best concealer brush I've ever used. And most importantly, Cuffs and Lashes brushes are very affordable and very good quality. So yeah, the base is done, almost done. Just I will do a under eye baking, not baking, just I will give a bit powder so that eyeshadow korte giye kono fallout hole seta jate amra makeup korte pari. So amar eyebrow-টাকে আরেকটু pop out করার জন্য I will use a light color concealer which is very light than my skin tone. This is Maybelline FITme in the shade 36 Golden. I'll take absolutely a bit, absolutely একটুখানি একদম নেব, নিয়ে will just line it. So for the entire eye makeup, I'm going to use this Bperfect Cosmetics Carnival XL Pro palette. This is a all-rounder palette, I must say. This is my love. This is my everything. I mean, the most price position, I don't think so, but yeah, I have so many pricey palettes, but eta amar khub favorite. I mean, let's see. Just look at this. From here, I will use a light color shade as a transition shade, then we will move forward. So I am using Morphe blending brush. As I am doing a hollow eye, I will do the transition from the inner corner to outer corner. Then I will take a tapered blending brush, and this is from Pro Arte PF08. With this, I will take a black shade and will put here and here, the inner corner and the outer corner on the lid, not the crease, on the lid, on the inner corner lid and on the outer corner lid. We'll leave a gap in the middle portion to create the halo look. So you can see that I have kept a bit gap on the lid, on the middle of the lid, where I will put some shimmer eyeshadow to make that halo look. But I will use a flat brush like this from BH Cosmetics. Now keep in mind that as you are doing a halo look, you have to do the pattern straight, not a round one. If your shimmer eyeshadow is not as pigmented as it should be, then you can use a setting spray. I mean, you can wet your flat brush with your setting spray and then you can use the glitter or the shimmer. So now you can see the measurement of the golden portion are not same on the both of the eyes. So what I will do, I will take the previous brush or any brush like this, a blending brush, a pointed blending brush or a small blending brush, take the black and the brown again and put on the outer corner and the inner corner to just overlap on the golden to make the halo look on the center of the lid. Now I will take another blending brush and will diffuse the edges. See, here you can see that there is an edge between this and this. All of these are edges. We have to diffuse it. On the middle portion, on the conjunction, on the junction of the two shade, I will use this brown, which will not go towards the golden but will stay maximum on the black portion, but still it will diffuse. So for kajal, I'm using this Faces Canada Magnet Eyes Kajal. So I'm adding the kajal on the lower lash line and also the waterline. So after the waterline, I will use the kajal on my lash line also. Now I will smudge the lash. Now using this a small smudging brush from Morphe and the brown shade, I will smudge the kajal and will give it a smoky look. Now using a blending brush again, my harsh edge guloke ekটু diffuse করে দেব. Now for eyeliner, I'm using Maybelline newer colossal eyeliner. I love the wand. The tip is very good to draw eyeliners. Now we'll add a lash. So yeah, I have put my lashes. What you can do, you can skip the lash also. I have used this mascara, this Maybelline Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. You can go with the mascara also. I mean just the mascara, you don't need the lashes and stuff. Now we will do the face makeup. So for blush, I'm using this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream Monte Carlo in the shade. And I will use it as a blush as I want to make it a dewy look, so I'm not using any powder blush. I will not do contouring as such. I will do a bronzing. So for bronzing, I'm using Myglam from Pose Range HD Bronzer Duo. So this is the bronzer. I'm not going to do very high contouring, so just keeping it a light bronzing. For nose contouring, again I will take a brush from Cuffs and Lashes E007. As my eyes are very dramatic, very gorgeous, so for lipstick I am choosing nude shade. This is from Wet n Wild. The shade name is Give Me Mocha, and with a lip liner, this is in color Intense lip liner in the shade Purple. The lipstick is also done, and now I will use a bit highlighter, and with all the jewelries I'm coming back. So I have paired it up with this and some bangles and this earring. So yeah, this is my final look for the Eid tutorial. I hope you all liked it, and if you did, then do let us know in the comment section below. And for more photos and reels and stuff like that, do follow our Instagram page, and we will meet on the next video. Till then, take love, bye bye.